Hello everyone, I hope you all are good. So today we are going to see how we can apply the inline styling on whatever element we have added. We can see whatever component we have added inside our project. So here you can see there are multiple components I have added there. Okay, this is the app.js file. Okay, so inside that I'm going to apply the inline style. So okay, so first of all, I'm going to apply that styling on the text. Okay, so what is this text? This is the text component. Okay, so now you can see how we can apply the inline styling. Inline styling means to say I'm going to apply the particular styling on a particular line. Okay, you can see this is a text. This is a text component, and inside this line, I'm going to apply the style. For applying style, we have to use the keyword style here. Style, you have to use the equal to sign there, then you have to use the curly braces, two curly braces you have to use. Okay, so the next curly braces will be there, and inside that you have to write whatever styling you want to perform. Like for example, if you want to perform the color. Okay, so color you can give there, you can see it is going to give you some suggestions. Okay, if it is going to provide some suggestions, you will definitely get that you are doing all the syntax correctly. So it has given you the option color, you have to select it. Okay, and you have to write the column there, and now you have to write the color whatever you want. Like for example, if you want green color, you can apply it there. Okay, and then you have to press Ctrl S or save your file. Okay guys, now we can check the output in a mobile phone whether the styling which we have done is correct or not. Now, to check the output, what we have to do, we have to go to our command prompt. Okay, so now we have to come inside the directory of our project. And what is the name of our project? The name of our project is Space A. Okay, now we came inside the directory of our project, and now we have to write here npm start. It has provided me the QR code. I will press the S. Okay, I will use the web output also. So I'm going to press W first. So I can check the output on the web browser. You can see it's open now. We'll see the output. Come. Okay. So have you seen where the green color is applied? I can tell you this is the green color. Class component is D is appeared in the green color there. Okay. I can zoom. You can see this class component is green in color. Means the design, means the style whatever we have applied is present there. So in this way we can apply the inline styling on whatever component we have created. Okay. Thank you so much guys.